Um, Julie, what is it? We have a problem. What now? We got the computer's not working. Dude, are you kidding me? Yeah, come on, let's go. Are you kidding me? The computer guy is not working? Okay, duh, fine. Let's go, duh. Huh? Huh? Okay, what's the problem? Yeah. The problem. Come on, let's go. Okay, someone said this is the problem with the computer? Yeah, of course. Damn it. What you didn't work there work? Oh, come on, you kidding me? Duh. Yeah, so it's going on there. So let me try. Fine. Did somebody say that we got hacked? We did got hacked. Oh, oh, fine. Well, what's the problem? So we got there, blah blah blah, and then her computer got hacked. I don't know. Oh, okay, let me try to do it. What the?
Advanced for a Barney error. Barney's show has been banned from television and
What?
will never be on air ever again. This is so sad.
What?
Barney wants you to respect that. So
What?
please don't turn off your Game Boy Advance or close it.
What?
You get 5 chances, but they won't be on the screen.
Oh my god, dang it, what? Oh my god, a Barney arrow? I don't know what is that. Dude, me either. I don't know what should we do. It said we should not close it. Oh man, we'll get our computer forever. Yeah, actually we're gonna get hacked forever. Anyways guys, I'm just gonna shut down.
You get 5 chances.
Hey, I see you turned off your Game Boy Advance. Please don't you again.
Oh my god, I will do it again.
Okay, I'm getting mad now. You have 3 chances to turn it off again. I will look ridiculous.
I don't care.
Again.
Oh my
god. Stop turning it off.
Oh my god, what's he getting so... Oh my god, how is he got so angry? Because you just turned it off right now. You make him mad. Now what should we do? Guys, I have an idea. What if we just calm down? If we just turn it off right now? Don't you dare.
Hey. Why?
Because why?
This is your last chance. If you turn it off again, I will give you a punishment.
There. Phil. Wait a minute. I just realized. Oh my god. No way. It was my last chance. No, what should we do now? Damn, what is going on here? What happened? We got our arrow and now it was my last chance. Now will give me a punishment. Really? Are you kidding me, bro? Oh man. Nothing's happening. Well, I think there's no more error. Yeah, I wonder what should...
I'm done.
Huh? Oh no.
How dare you waste all 5 chances? That's it. You're banned from your Game Boy Advance for 1 hour. Banned from your Game Boy Advance for 1 hour.
Okay, that's it. What? Oh man. Oh my ears. Let me turn it on right now.
That's it.
Please. Please. That's it. Oh man. Turn it on right now.
so furious right
Dude,
now.
what?
Not just now. You are super bad for
I'm gonna turn up.
So your punishment
Oh,
is for
damn! Oh my god!
too bad. It didn't work. So now you have the extreme punishment. Turning your Game Boy
Oh my god, that's it! Turn it on right now!
so bad right now. So I have decided to ban you from your Game Boy Advance.
Please, just, please.
Okay. But how about I give you the
Mega punishment? What's a mega punishment? Oh, oh my gosh!
less the more you turn off your Game Boy. Just
Let me turn it off quickly!
this is the mega punishment. No.
Oh damn! What did you just did? Just did right now. It was an accident. It was an accident. Please, please, forgive me, please, Barney, right now.
Please stop.
Mm. Oh my gosh!
All of the love in my heart has faded away.
Oh
Because you keep turning off my punishments. The error punishment
no! Wait,
because your bad time
wait!
to until the late part of the day.
3 horas.
Oh my god! Just turn it off, no. Please!
You got the 666 punishment.
Oh my god! Let me just turn it on right now! Don't you dare! Ooh. My gosh! Eh, finish.
Okay, I'm done. I will put your Game Boy Advance in lockdown for 1 month, and then after that, you will see what happens.
Phil family is finished now. We did it. Okay, so well, what now? I think we could cook some cookies. Actually, yeah. I don't think that's the end. I think don't tell me it would be a jump scare. What are you talking about? I don't know. Duh. What the? Wait, what? Seconds? What? Ah, what a snowy day. Hey, you're gonna be. Hey, you're gonna be so cold. I don't know. I don't think the computer camera is working. Let's check it right now. I don't think it will be work. What will happen now? Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh damn! What? Barney Exy? I'm gonna shut down right now. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Don't do it. Yes, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, fine. I'm gonna. You're right, Barney. I'm gonna shut down. What the? What the? What the? That's not kind of bad. Wait, what? Ah! Please! This punishment. I'm gonna turn it on right now. If you don't you dare do it, we're gonna crash out right now. I don't care, we will survive. Please. But hell punishment?
I will set all of your electronic devices on fire. I will come to your house and smash your identity
It was an accident. It was just an accident.
Welcome to your nightmares. Your mind is
Nightmare punishment. Oh no.
You'll never have sweet dreams.
Please.
You're lucky if you
Oh my god, turn it off.
now for what I usually do. You are banned for I knew it.
No jump scares.
Made so many violations.
No jump scares.
You caused me to run out of
Please.
patience.
I'm gonna shut down.
I have decided to keep your Game Boy on this
Right now, please. I'm gonna shut down. Where's my finger? There.
5 hours or so.
My finger, my finger.
Go do something else with your
Oh man.
ready to give you some more punishment.
5 hours later. Damn!
Ready to give you some more punishment.
They wake me up.
Punishment.
Damn!
This is what I need to do.
I shut down. Please. Oh my god! Barney looks so horrible. I'm gonna shut down right now.
Understand that being cancelled is the hardest part of
Evil punishment? Oh my god. Please, a lot of punishments.
my show has been going on for years, and this is how you're gonna act. You hurt
Please.
a lot. I've had it. You are.
I heard you turned off your Game Boy Advance again.
Of course. Look. They look like purple guy. Just turn it on right now.
You really hate Barney, don't you?
You just turn it on right now.
So many of his punishments. Don't answer that.
Purple loads punishment?
So, I will mess with your card.
Damn, that's kind of
so
funny
you
though.
can put in cards on your GBA. On top of that, I will also corrupt the BIOS permanently. And you are banned from Blackwell. See yourself banned.
You suck. What was that?